Good morning, student. Today I am going to solve the example to find the inverse of matrix by using the elementary operation, row elementary operation or column elementary operation. Before that, I am sure that I am sending a photocopy of the definition of inverse matrix, row elementary operation, column elementary. You have already read this all the topic. So I am going to apply this in the to find the inverse of trigonometry, inverse of matrix. Now I am to consider the example in exercise 3.4. First I am consider 2 by 2 matrix. Question number in exercise 3.4. I consider 2 by 2. One example 9. Question number 9. 3, 2, 10, 7. Right, we have to find inverse of this matrix. So suppose let A is equal to this 3, 2, 10, 7. Right. Then we have to write in a equation of matrix. So A is equal to what? I into A. What is that? Identity matrix of order 2. Right. So here we write a matrix here 3, 2, 10, 7. I is equal to, we write 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. Right. Now we have to apply the row elementary operation till this become LHS type matrix. A is given, which become what? Identity matrix, that is 1, 0, 0, 1. And this is the new matrix. When apply the elementary operation on this matrix, then this will be the new matrix. Suppose it is B, then we get this I is equal to what? I is equal to, we get BA form. And then if I is equal to BA, then B is called the inverse of matrix by definition of inverse matrix. So we have to apply elementary operation on A. We apply the elementary operation by row or column, any one, either row or column. So see here, we apply here. So what is required here? 1 is required. First row, the first row, first column, element 1 is required. It is very easy to get 1 here, 3 minus 2. Direct we get 3 minus 2, you get 1. So we apply the notation what? Elementary row elementary operation. So we write in R1, we apply R1 minus R2. Right? For second row will be separate from the first row. And therefore you get, now we apply this notation. The 3 minus 2 is 1. 10 minus 7 is what? 3. And 2, 7 as it is. The same way here. Here also you have to apply the 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. And second row is as it is into A we write. Right? You get 1 here. Now we require what? Either 0 here, 0 here. Right? So we apply here. Suppose we multiply this first element in first row, first column, and multiply by minus 2, add here, so we get 0 here. It's very easy. Right? If we multiply by to get 1 here, so we have to multiply this by minus 2. 3 is multiplied by minus 2, add here, so 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Either we get 0, then we have to multiply, this is row, first row is multiplied by minus 2 and add here, so you get 0 here. But if you want to get 1 here, then you have to multiply first row by what? Minus 2 and then here. So we multiply by the first row. We apply the first row is multiplied. Now we are here 1, 3, 2, 7 is equal to 1, 0, minus 1 1 into A. So we apply notation in R2. The what second row R2 is what subtract multiply by 2 minus 2 R1. The first row is multiplied by minus 2 and then add into second row. We have to apply this notation. So see here, the second row will be changed here. The first row as it is. Now apply this. 2 into minus 2. 2 into 2 plus minus 2 into 1. And here also we get 7 into what? 7 into 7 plus minus 2 into 3 is equal to the first row as it is. We write here 0 plus minus 2 into 1, and here we write 1 plus minus 2. R1 is what? Element is minus 1 into A. So therefore you get here 1, 2 minus 2 is 0. You get 3 here, 3 is already here. And 7 minus 6 you get 1. And is equal to what is changed here? 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Here minus 1 and 1 plus minus minus, so you get 3. Minus minus plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 into A. Now you get here 1 0 1 here. Now 1 0 is remain. To get 0 here, right? That is in first row. So we have to apply what? That this row, second row is multiplied by, that is this element is multiplied by minus 3 add into first row, right? So we apply here. In R1 we have to apply notation. So what is it? R1 plus minus 3 into R2. Second row is multiplied by minus 3 add into 1, and therefore we get the 1 R1 is 1 plus minus 3 into 0 is say 1 here. Then you get 3 plus minus 3 into 1, the 3 minus 3 you get 0 here. Then next here second row is as it is 0 1. So you get here this side also we have to apply. So R1 is 1 here, minus 3 into minus 2. 1 plus minus 3 into what? Minus 2. Corresponding element. Remember this. The 1 plus 3 to the 6 is equal to 7. So you get this element will be 7. Here now 7 is here. The minus 1 here plus minus 3 into R2, that is what? 3. So you get minus 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 10. So this element you get minus 10. And second row is as it is minus 2 and 3 into A. So see here, LHS side you get the identity matrix, and in place of I you get the new matrix that is B. But this matrix B is called the inverse of A. So we write here I is equal to B into A, where B is equal to what? We get 7 minus 2 minus 10 comma 3, and that is called A inverse. Therefore A inverse is equal to B is equal to 7 minus 2 minus 10 comma 3. This is answer. Okay, I am now taking one example of 3 by 3 matrix. That is question number 15 here. If A is equal to this matrix 2 minus 3 3, second row is 2 2 3, 3 minus 2 2, then find the inverse of matrix by using the row elementary operation or column elementary operation. Right? The first we denote the given matrix by A. So write let A is equal to this. Then write the metric equation in the identity form. A is equal to I into A. What is I here? I is the 3 by 3 identity matrix. Why? A is the 3 by 3, then I is also 3 by 3. Right? We write now matrix 2, 2, 3. Then minus 3, 2, minus 2. Third column is 3, 3, 2 is equal to I is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1 into A. Right? Now we have to convert this LHS side matrix convert into I. And this will be, when we apply the notation of this, same notation will be applied here. Right? Elementary operation here also. And we convert into the new matrix, that is suppose B. So this will be written as, this become equation become what? I is equal to B into A. Right? We have to convert this form into A is equal to I is equal to, right? This A is equal to I will be converted in this form by using the elementary operation. Right? I is equal to BA, then B is called the inverse of A and it is denoted by A inverse. Suppose if all the elements of, in this matrix, all the elements of row, right, or column, any row or any column, right, all the elements of any row or any column are 0, then inverse does not exist. Remember this. So we require I is equal to BA form, and for that this form is required, right? For that we apply the elementary operation on first. And the first here 2 minus 2 we get 0, 2 minus 3 is equal to 1. So we try to get 1 here. So first, for that we interchange the third row and first row, or first row and third row. So we apply the notation for the interchange row. So Ri2, R1 to R3, right? R1 to R3. So we have to change first and third row. So now, by applying this notation, this elementary operation, the third row become first row. Here 3 minus 2, 2. Then last row will be 2 minus 3 and 3. Second row is as it is 2, 2, 3 is equal to. So here same elementary operation we have to apply. So now first row will be what here? That is the third row of this matrix, 0, 0, 1. And last row will be the first of this matrix here. And second row is as it is, 0, 1, 0 into 8. Now first we get 1 here. So we subtract 3 minus 2. Right? 3 minus 2, you get 1. Also we require 0 here. Right? 0 here. So what is the first column? 1, 0, 0, 0 is required. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 2 minus 2 is also 0. So we apply the 2 notation, elementary operation direct. The first to get 1, R1 minus R2. That is we apply in R1. So we apply the notation here. See here, in R1 we apply notation R1 minus R2. Also we apply here to get 0, we easily get 0 here. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So in R2 also we apply this notation R2 minus R3. Third row will be separate from the second row. We apply these two notation at a time, and then the first row and second row will be changed. So therefore, what is changed in matrix? The first 3 minus 2 is 1, right? Then minus 2 minus 2, what is it? Minus 4. Then 2 minus 3 is minus 1, right? Now also we apply this notation R2 minus R3. That is R2 minus R3 means third row will be separate from the second row, corresponding element. Remember this, 2 minus 2. is 0. 2 minus 3, that is 2 plus 3, you get 5. Then 3 minus 3, you get 0. Right? And last row is as it is. So only first and second row change here. 2 minus 3 and 3 here. So same will be applied on this matrix also. So what is R1 minus R2? So here 0 minus 0 is 0. Then 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Then 1 minus 0 is 1. Right? Again 0 minus 1. R2 minus R3. 0 minus 1. Then 1 minus 0 is 1. And 0 minus 0 is 0. Last row is as it is. So 1, 0, 0. Right, into A. Okay. When applying this R1, this notation, we get here this matrix, right? When apply this notation on R1 and R2, we get this. Now see here, we require 0 here also, right? 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. See, the first element is 1 here, and this is multiplied by minus 2, add here, then we get 0. So in R3 we have to apply this notation. R3, what is it? R3 plus minus 2 into R1. Therefore, we get here. See, the only third row will be changed. So we write first and second as it is. 1 minus 4 minus 1. Then second row is 0, 5, 0. Now, here we write the first element. See here, 2 plus minus 2 and R1 no, R1 is what? First element is 1. So 2 minus 2 is 0, right? Then we write this. So minus 3 plus minus 2 and the corresponding second element is what? Minus 4. And that is minus 3 plus 8. Minus plus 4 to the 8 and is equal to 5. So we write here 5. Then we write next third element here. So 3 plus minus 2 into minus 1 and that is 3 plus 2 and is equal to 5. The same will be applied here. The first second row as it is 0 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 and 0. So again we apply this first element in third row 1 plus minus 2. First element of the first row is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Next element, second element, we write 0 plus minus 2 and R1 that is called minus 1. So minus plus 2, 0 plus 2. Now third element is 0 plus minus 2 into R1 that is 1. So you get minus 2 here into 8. So we get 0 here. See here, now we get 5 minus 5, we get 0. And 1 required here, right? So minus 5 minus 4 is 1. So we apply two notation here. We get 0 also here. So in R3, we apply this first in R2. R2 minus R1 to get 1 here. Right. Then, sorry. If we to get 1 here, but this 0 will be cancelled, right? So first we apply this in R3, R3 minus R2, right? We apply this notation to get 0 here only, R3 minus R2, and then we get 1 minus 4 minus 1, only third row will be changed, 0, 5, 0. And 0 minus 0 is 5 minus 5 is 0. And what is 5? 5 minus 0 is 5. Is equal to 0 minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1 and 0. And now the subtraction of these two, the 1 plus 1. 1 minus minus 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. And minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2. Into 2. Now say we require 1 here and these two elements are 0. So we have to multiply second row by 1 upon 5 or dividing by 5. We apply first this notation in R2. 1 upon 5 into R2. And therefore, the first row as it is 1 minus 4 minus 1. Then 0, 1, 0. Then 0, 0, 5 as it is equal to. So second row is multiplied by 1 upon 5 or dividing by 5. 0 minus 1, 1. Only second row will be changed. So it will be minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Then 0. Then 2, 1 and minus 2 into 8. Right? Now require what here? Require 0 here. Require 0 here. Here also 0. If we multiply this by 5 and add here, then this 0 will be cancelled. So we cannot apply this notation. So we have to get 0 first here. Right? First we get 0 here. So in first row, R1, what is R1 plus 4 into R2 minus 4 plus 4, right? That is second row is multiplied by 4, add into first row. And therefore 1, right? Minus 4 plus 4, that is 0. And then minus 1 plus 4 into 0 is 0. Right? Then second and third row is same 1, 0, 0, 0, 5. What is changed in the first row here? R1 is 0. Right? First element is 0 here. Plus 4. And R2 first element is minus 1 by 5. That is 0 minus 4 by 5. So you get 0 minus 4 by 5. So we write only minus 4 by 5. So the second element. So second element here in first row minus 1 plus 4. R2 is 1 by 5. And equal to you get minus 1 plus 4 by 5. And equal to you get minus 1 by 5. So this element will be minus 1 by 5. Right? Then last element. So 1 plus 4 into R2, that is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. The second row and third row will be same. Minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 2, 8. Right. Now, we require 1 also here, right, and 0 here. The first we apply the notation. This row is multiplied by 1 upon 5 or dividing by 5. So in apply R3, so 1 upon 5 into R3, right, and therefore you get here 1, 0, minus 1. Only third row will be changed. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. 5 upon 5 is 1. So here we get minus 4 by 5, minus 1 by 5, and 2 by, sorry, first two row we write first, minus 1 by 5, 1, 1 by 5, 0. First two row is same, only third row will be changed here. by applying this notation, so each element is divided by 5. So you get 2 by 5, 1 by 5, and minus 2 by 5 into E. Right. Now only 1 0 is required to get the identity matrix here. So see here, minus 1 plus 1 will be 0, and then this 1 and 0 is not affected, right, by applying this notation. So R1 will be changed by applying this one, R1 plus R2. And therefore, we get here 1, 0, 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Second row and third row is 0, 0, 1. Right? Here, the first element. The addition of direct addition of this minus 4 by 5 plus 2 by 5. So what is it? Minus 2 upon 5. So we write minus 2 upon 5. Then what is here? Minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, and that is 0. So we get 0 here. Then last row, 1 plus 1 minus 2 by 5, that is 5 minus 2 is 3 by 5. So we get here 3 by 5. Then the second row and third row will be same, minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5 into 8. So this will be required matrix here. So say here, this is your I. We get new matrix in place of I, that is we say B, and this is your A. Then B is the inverse of matrix A. Right? Therefore, inverse of matrix A will be, so B is equal to we write A inverse, and is equal to minus 2 by 5, 0, 3 by 5, then minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5. So this is the inverse of matrix A.